Hi, hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I Radha here to teach for you. So today's class I brought 10th mathematics part 1 subject. So in this subject we have already started the lesson progressions lesson. Okay. So lesson number 2 progressions lesson we have already started. In the progression lesson we have completed exercise 2.2. We have completed exercise 2.2 up to 7th question. Up to 7th question we have completed. So today's class let us discuss about 8th question and 9th question. Okay. So what is 8th question? So in the exercise 2.2 the 8th question is the ratio of 7th to 3rd term of an AP is 12:5. Okay. Find the ratio of 13th to 4th term. So they have given the ratio of two terms. We have to find out the another one ratio. First we have to write the given data. Given data. So here they have given ratio of 7th term to 3rd term is equal to 12:5. 12:5. We can also write it is in the form of T7 divided by T3 is equal to 12 divided by 5. Okay. Again here we have to find out the ratio of 13th term to 4th term. Okay. 13th term to 4th term. They have given the ratio of 7th term to 7th term is to 3rd term is 12:5. What is 7th term? We know that what is 7th term? 7th term we know that we can write it is in the form of a plus 6d divided by a plus 2d. Third term is a plus 2d is equal to 12 divided by 5 they have given. Okay. So this is the ratio. If we do the cross multiplication we will get so a plus 6d into 5 and is equal to a plus 2d into 12. We have to multiply a plus 6d into 5. So 5a, 5 into a, 5a. Directly I am multiplying here. 5 into a, 5a plus 6 5s are 30d. Okay, is equal to, again we have to multiply a plus 2d into 12. So here we have to do the cross multiplication. If we do the cross multiplication, a plus 6d into 5 is equal to a plus 2d into 12. So 12 into a, 12a plus 12 2s are 24. 24d. Okay. So here first we have to find out the first term and the common difference. Here they have given 5a plus 30d is equal to 12a plus 24d. They have given. Here we have to find out the value of a and d. So how to find out means, so 30d write as it is. I am writing 30d. I am taking all the d's one side and first term a to another side. 30d, if we take plus 24d from RHS to LHS, it will become minus 24d is equal to 12a right as it is. Okay, 12a right as it is. So if we take plus 5a from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 5a. Minus 5a. Okay, so 30d minus 24d. 30 minus 24, 6d is equal to 12 minus 5, 7a. 60 is equal to 7a. So, d is equal to, I am sending again 6 from LHS to RHS. If we send 6 from LHS to RHS, it will become d is equal to 7a, right as it is. If we send 6 from LHS to RHS, it will become divided by 6. Why? Because 6 is multiplied with d. If we send multiplied 6 from LHS to RHS, it will become divided by 6. So, this is the d value, common difference value. D is equal to 7a, divided by 6. Okay, another one that we know that 13th term divided by 14th term, sorry, 4th term, 13th term to 14th term is equal to, what is 13th term? We know that we can write 13th term as a plus 12d. Okay, divided by 4th term as a plus 3d. So we can write it is in the form. Okay, so 13th term divided by 14th term is equal to, here we have a plus 12d divided by a plus 3d. So substitute the value of d to these equations. How to write? So write as it is a plus 12, write as it is. What is d value? D value is equal to 7a divided by 6. 7a divided by 6 divided by a plus 3, write as it is 3 into d. So what is d value? Again we have to substitute the d value. 7a divided by 6. Okay, here 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so is equal to a plus 2. Here we have a 2. 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14a. Okay, 14a divided by a plus here 7a divided by 2. 7a divided by 2. So is equal to a plus 14a, it will become 15a. Okay, divided by, so a plus 7 divided by 2a it is here. Here we have a fraction. Again here we have to take the LCM. If we take the LCM for 1 and 2, it will become 2. So a into 2, 2a plus, write as it is 7a. So if we take the LCM for 1 and 2, so we will get the LCM 2. So 2 write as it is. So a into 2, 2a plus 7a divided by 2 into LCM 2. 2 will get cancelled. Again we have to write the 7a. Okay, so here 15a divided by 7a plus, sorry, 2a plus 7a is equal to 9a divided by 9a divided by 2. 9a divided by 2. So here 15a. So in the denominator 9a divided by 2 is there. If we take this 9a divided by 2 from denominator to numerator, it will become 2 divided by 9a. If we take the reciprocal of 9a divided by 2, it will become into 2 divided by 9a. 15a into 2, 15 2s are 30. 30a divided by 9a. So a will get cancelled. Okay, 30 divided by 9. 30 divided by 9. So if we divide 30 and 9 from 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 0s are 3, 3 3s are 3. So it will become 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. So what is this value? So 13th term to 4th term. So here we have a, so therefore 13th term to 4th term is equal to 10 divided by 3. 10 to 3. So the value of 13th term to 4th term is equal to 10 to 3. 10 to 3. 10 is to 3. We can also write it is in the form of T 13 is to 4th term is equal to 10 is to 3. 10 is to 3. So this is the value of 13th term to 4th term is equal to 10 to 3. So next we have to move for 9th question. Next we have to move for 9th question. So in the 9th question, what is the 9th question? First we have to read here. A company employed 400 persons in the year 2001. A company employed 400 persons in the year 2001. And each year increased by 35 persons. So they are saying every year it will increases by 35 persons. Okay. So in which year the number of employees in the company will be 785. So the final year employees is employees are 785 they have given. We have to find out in which year. So the number of employees in the company will become 785. So that is we have to find out here. First we have to write the given data, right? Given data. A company employed 400 persons in the year 2001. So what they are saying in the 2001. In the 2001 the company employees are 400. So each year increased by 35%. They are saying each year. So the next year in the 2002. So 2002 it will increases by again 35%. 400 plus 35, 435. Again in the next year 2003 again 35% increases means 435 plus 35 it will become 470. So in which year it will become the number of employees in the company are 785 they are asking. So here we have to find the value of n. So they are given the data, it is in the form of years and number of employees. So in the 2001 it is the first year. So in the first year 400%. Again in the next year 435. Next year 470 employees. So next finally it will become 785 employees. In which year? So in which year? It is nothing but we have to find the value of n. So here first we have to write the values. The first term is A is equal to 400. Okay. So the common difference, the common difference in this series is 435 minus 400. It will become 35. So 785 it is the nth term value. It is the nth term. The last term, the nth term value is equal to 785. Here next we have to find out the in which year. It is nothing but n. In which year, in which term it will become 785. So we know that the formula nth term equation is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to substitute the value of Tn, a and n and d. So the value of Tn, the nth term value is 785 is equal to first term value is 400 plus n we don't know, write as it is, minus 1, write as it is. What is the d value, common difference value? 35. Okay. So 785 is equal to 400 plus here n minus 1 into 35. This is one term. This is another term. So n minus 1 into 35 means we have to multiply n minus 1 into 35. 35 into n, 35 n minus, write as it is. Write as it is. 1 into 35 it will become 35. So 785 is equal to, so 400 plus 35n. 35n we can't do anything because it is the variable 35, n is there. Okay. So constant number 400 minus 35. If we subtract 35 from 400, 400 minus 35 we will get 365. Okay. Here we have to find out the value of n. So n, this term is it is in the RHS side. So I am taking complete RHS to LHS. 35n plus 365 is equal to 785. I am taking complete RHS to LHS and complete LHS to RHS. So here we have to find the value of n. So 35n, write as it is equal to, what is there in RHS? 785. 785. So plus 365. If we send plus 365 from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 365. So 35n is equal to, if we subtract 365 from 785, 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay, it will become 420. So n is equal to 420 write as it is. Again we have to send 35 from LHS to RHS. If we want to find the value of the variable, we have to make it single in the LHS side. We have to make alone in the LHS side. Then only we can able to find the value of the variable. Here 35 n is there. 35 is multiplied with n. If we send multiplied 35 from LHS to RHS, it will become divided by 35. Okay, so if we send anything from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, so plus will become minus, minus will become plus, into will become division, division will become into. Okay, here n is equal to 420 divided by 35. So both the numbers are multiplying from dividing from 5. So 5 sevens are 35. This is 5 eights are 40. Again 20 is there. 5 fours are 20. So again it will become 84 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 1. 1 4 to 14. 7 twos are 14. N is equal to 12. So n is equal to 12. So in which year means year in the 2001, it is nothing but 1 2 3. Here it will become n value 12 means in the 2012 the number of employees will become 785. That is what we have to find out here. So in 2012 the number of employees will become 785. Okay, so this is how we have to find out the year. So viewers, if you like my video, like, share, comment, and if you want any kinds of topics on the mathematics, just write down in the comment box. I am here to teach for you and I am ready to teach for you. Thank you viewers.